today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Karthik from Tolle Labs. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience and what products they are showcasing at Drone Expo. Hello sir, glad to have you here.
Hi there.
Let's not take too much of time of yours. Let's begin with first question.
Sure.
Could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
Definitely. So we are Tolle Labs. We are primarily working on nano drones. We also make components in India. That was the primary challenge which we have addressed in the entire ecosystem. It took us 2 years in the line to make the FC. After making the flight controller, this small, we got to know that, there's a lot of other components where people are not really contributing in the ecosystem. We were requested by a leader from the armed forces to look at telemetry as one of the primary products. And we took this challenge a year and a half ago, and we've made all the components swap optimized. We're looking at smaller components, right? And finally, we have achieved a nano drone which weighs less than 250 grams, and it can do a flight time of around 25 minutes and a range of around 5 kilometers, right? And we can confidently tell there are not much people solving the space in the digital video transmission space. And we are one of the first players to bring this onto India. And we have recently done a joint venture to bring in a hero telemetry product, which functions as a ground control station. Yes. This is the GCS IP rated, fully ruggedized, and it can give a range of up to 80 kilometers for telemetry, right? And this now will be fully made in India and made available to the armed forces. We would not have much dependency to get the telemetry from different countries which have a higher lead time and vulnerabilities of data threat.
That's wonderful. It brings me to my next question.
Sure.
It is, what are your strengths which keeps you unique from others?
So components is something which we focus on, and we are a company with a good cumulative experience crafting consumer electronics products, right? For us, a drone should not be a hobby grade product. We are looking at achieving finished products for the armed forces because we understand the value of having, no wires dangling out. A soldier needs to have access to the best of the best products in the Indian ecosystem.
That's wonderful, sir. So, sir, do you have any message you would like to convey to the customers, visitors, and people are exploring your work?
Definitely. You guys should check out tolle.in. That is TOLLE.in. We are more than happy to help you out with components. We are not looking at a minimum MOQ. If you are a drone company wanting to replace all the Chinese parts, please hit us up. You have my contact details on the website. We are more than happy to help, the budding drone companies trying to make, the drones indigenous in India.
That's very helpful message. At last, I hope you had a great experience at Drone Expo in Bangaluru. In September, we are bringing it again in New Delhi. Would you like to participate again?
Definitely would love to check it out in Delhi. There's a lot of events lined up, but looks like we've had a very good response from Drone Expo crowd. The crowd has been considerate enough to understand the products, and the team has worked really well to make this a successful event in Bangalore.
That's nice. Looking forward to see you in
Thank
New
you so
Delhi
much.
as well.
Thank you.
So
Have a
much.
lovely one. Bye-bye.